Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog for you. Today's my first day back home. I just got home from Puerto Rico late last night. I have a few errands to run today, and I also have to pick my giveaway winner for my Marc Jacobs pillow bag. So I want to do that and share with you. So I figured, why not just bring you along my random day of errands? So I actually got a new bag. So this was delivered yesterday. It's Rebecca MinKoff. So I want to wear it today. So it's like a little unboxing sort of. Alright guys, so this is a Rebecca MinKoff MAC. So it's not the mini MAC like my red one. This is the original size. And I got it in the black on black. I used to own this bag years ago and I sold it. The inside looks, you can't tell, but there's two pockets in here, a slip pocket in the back, and then a zipper pocket, a bigger zipper pocket behind that. And here are some extra tassels. They have kind of designed it because the inside used to be like a fun pattern and it would match the dust bag. I think the quality of the leather and the design of this bag, like I said, I just rediscovered it and fell in love with it again. So I purchased this. Is my mini MAC and this is the MAC. So this is much more substantial, as you see. So I don't know if this bag is like readily available. I saw it come up in the sample sale, and of course because it was the black on black, it was the size, I picked it up. But the regular size MAC retails for $298. I got this on the online sale and I think it was $129, and I had a promo code, so I spent $100 for this one, and that's great. So I have to pack it up because I have stuff to do, bringing you guys along. So let's pack up my bag. I'm switching out of the mini pillow bag. I took that on vacation. Actually, this is Rebecca MinKoff too. It's a little pouch. My keys. This is my passport holder. I did not need a passport for Puerto Rico, but I used it as a wallet. I like to use it as a wallet while I travel. It has my passport and cash and my cards and stuff in there. Some hand cream. I had a lovely time visiting my family. Spent some nice quality time with my parents. So I'm going to put that in there. Masks. So I have 2 masks. I don't know if you guys like wearing makeup. I usually use like a cloth mask that I made and then put like my regular mask on top, or I use one of these and then I can just throw this out. So today I'm going to use that because obviously my makeup's going to transfer onto the mask. Someone asked me about color transfer and I want to show you guys. I don't know if you can see. This does have color transfer on the back from, like, this is a week's worth of like color transfer from my vacation. Obviously I was wearing like dark denim shorts and all, and there was some color transfer. This has happened to me once before, like before I went on vacation, and what I took was like a little corner of a Mr. Clean like magic eraser, and I obviously damp, it was damp, I gently wiped the leather down and it was perfect. It all came off, no problem. So this bag, I think I'm gonna put it up for a minute anyways, but I'll show you guys maybe later this evening how that comes off. But don't be discouraged, like it was so easy to take care of. I feel like the leather, although it's super soft and all and feels super luxe, it's not so delicate. Bag, I'm noticing guys, I'm enjoying more contemporary bags like my Chanel and Louis Vuitton and YSL. I don't know, I'm enjoying more contemporary bags. I think, you know, it's just fun too because you can get multiple colors like I have in the pillow bag, and it's not so expensive. Like these 2 bags, like obviously very different, right, because of the size and the color, but obviously I don't think if this was a Saint Laurent bag, let's say, I'd be buying 2. And I say contemporary designer bags because obviously it's still a designer bag, but it's a more contemporary designer, which just means, you know, it's not a high-end designer bag, but also contemporary, meaning pricing is more reasonable. Hey guys, quick OOTD. So I'm wearing this Marc Jacobs t-shirt, some Levi's, the Rebecca MinKoff, Doc Martens. So yeah, just literally shorts and a t-shirt. So yeah, let's head out.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage. Send her savage and Aston. Yeah. High-end cars and fashion.
I went to the grocery store. As you see my Trader Joe's bag there. I picked up some groceries. And now I'm picking up some lunch, early lunch. It's only 11:45 in the morning, but I haven't eaten since yesterday at lunchtime. Like, it's about to be almost 24 hours since I've eaten. I'm glad I got out and got my errands done earlier. So I actually had to pick up my AMG because he was at the spa himself getting cleans and I needed to get service. So my car was actually at Mercedes while I was away. So I picked it up this morning, and now I went to Trader Joe's. I picked some stuff up at Target, like the drive up order thing, and yeah, now I'm picking up an early lunch, which is my first meal in nearly 24 hours, and I'm super excited because I'm going to Chick-fil-A. Like, I don't even know why I'm trying to make it a surprise, but I put in my order on the app, so I just have to pick up my food once I get there. So we shall see. So mission accomplished. I got the Chick-fil-A. So now I get to go home and I get to eat for the first time in 24 hours. So let's do that. Guys, I'm finally gonna eat. I have some iced tea. And let me show you my food. So waffle fries with Polynesian and the spicy deluxe. I got groceries, so I'll be able to eat better now. Yeah, I've had nothing. I drank some water this morning, but I cannot even think and eat at the same time because as I'm eating, like, the hunger is hitting me. Alright, is it me or is it super satisfying watching someone eat Chick-fil-A specifically? I'm not really into the mukbangs, but when someone has Chick-fil-A, I'll just watch them eat. I don't get it. And to think Popeyes thought they had some competition, or they thought they were like coming for Chick-fil-A sandwiches. You guys remember that hype last summer over the Popeyes sandwiches? It's crazy that that was a year ago already. Feels like not that long ago because we've been in quarantine. Let me eat. We still have stuff to do because we have to do the giveaway. So I'm gonna touch base with you in a little bit. It's actually the next day. I just got a delivery from Majori, so I want to share that with you because I actually have to send my mom off something. I picked up something for myself and a little something for my mom, and I'm loving Majori. I'm definitely going to be filming a jewelry collection video with you guys, but I'm really loving Majori and I've been shopping there a lot. As you know, I did an IG Majori giveaway where one of my IG followers won a $100 gift card to Majori. So yeah, I'm loving Majori. So I just got an order in. I want to share it with you guys, and then I have to run out to the post office. Then once I get back, we're going to do the giveaway winner announcement for the Marc Jacobs pillow bag. So let me go do that, and then let's get down to business with the pillow bag. So here is the stuff from Majori. So this is a ring that I got myself, and here's the packaging. It comes in this gift box with the dust bag, a little dust bag, a little care booklet, and here is the little dainty ring I got myself. Take it out. It's just for this finger, just like a stacker ring, heading out to go send it off to her now. So this is like a little gift card. Same thing. This is the ring I got my mom. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, I'm gonna send that to her. So let me head out and ship this off. And just like that, we're back. So I am super excited. I'm here to do the announcement of the giveaway winner. So the winner of this giveaway will be receiving a brand new Marc Jacobs mini pillow bag in the color cotton. So I'm super excited to share the giveaway winner. I have selected the giveaway winner by using random.org. I do want to say, before I share the winner of the giveaway, I would love everyone to comment below congratulations to the winner. I absolutely love giveaways. Like I said, this is how I initially started my blog. It was all centered around giveaways and sharing things I liked with my audience. We're going to keep that theme going. So don't be discouraged if you didn't win this bag. I actually have to share with you guys, I am actually giving away another Marc Jacobs pillow bag, a mini one. But you'll find all those details on IG. Make sure you're following me on IG and watching my stories. So if you're not the winner, but you still want a chance to get this bag, go to my IG right now and follow and watch my stories. But for the winner of this bag, the winner is Jessica S. Congratulations, your pillow bag is getting packaged up and will be shipped off to you right away. Like I said, everyone, let's hit up the comments and congratulate the winner. This was just so much fun. I'm glad you guys really liked this giveaway. And like I said, if you still want to win this bag, check me out on IG because I have another one actually that's being given away. So let's do that. And like I said, just keep following on IG. On IG, I'm definitely going to be doing more giveaways than on YouTube. YouTube giveaways are a little more formal, whereas on IG, I can like interact with you guys right away. So I will be doing some random giveaways on IG. So if you like giveaways, check me out there. But guys, putting this vlog up here. Thanks for kind of coming back and doing errands with me. Oh, do you see my flowers over there? I got some really beautiful pink roses when I went to Trader Joe's yesterday. So that's it for the vlog. I'll see you next time.